Welcome to Code Jogging. In our previous video, we looked at how we can swap variable values. In this video, we are going to look at math operator. That's BODMAS. That's what we are going to use. How can we create a simple calculator in C++? So that's what we are going to do in this video. In case today is your first time watching our video, please kindly subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified. And also we've provided a Telegram channel link at the description section. Please kindly subscribe to our Telegram channel so that it will be easier for us to reach you anytime we upload a new content. So now let's continue. In case you want to build a calculator or a simple calculator in C++, these are the ways that you can use to create your application. For example, let's have this code here and then let's check the output. So we can create a variable, an integer variable, and then let's make it x. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to give it x4 plus 5 times, this is the time sign, that's the asterisk, times 3. Okay, so now let's run the code. So let's output it on the console x. Okay, so let's run it and let's see the output 19. Okay, so let's check how we got the answer 19. It means that in normal mathematics we have a format or a syntax of dealing with operators. That's BODMAS. The ones in order, the multiplication has a higher power than addition. Okay, so in this code, what it does was it first find the multiplication of 5 and 3, and whatever result it will get, then it will add it to 4, sorry. So here 5 times 3 give us 15 plus 4 give us 19. That's the result. Now in our mind, maybe we want to add 5 plus 3 and then we multiply it by 4 plus 5, then we multiply the answer by 3. So that's what we want to achieve. If we write our code like this, it's rather going to use the normal math syntax. So we can achieve that by using the parentheses here. So let's surround this one by the parentheses here. What is going to do is first perform a calculation on whatever is in the parentheses, then it will multiply it by the 3. So in this case, let's run our code again. So let's check the output, and then we have 27. So it means that this one we get 9, and then 9 times 3, then we get 27. So this is how we can also use math operator in C++. So let's look at this one too. In case we want to find a remainder of a number, for example, we have, let's make this one 10, and then we have int y equals 3. Now we want to get the remainder of 10 divided by 3. Okay, so how can we achieve that? We can do that. Let's create another, or declare another variable, let's say z here. Then we can make it x, okay, instead of divided by y. Okay, so let's run the code. Yes, so this is x divided by y. We are displaying, so let's change it here to z. So this one is an integer. It runs to the nearest yes. So now we have 3. Okay, so let's change this one to this. Okay, that's the modulo. Okay, that's 1. So it means that divide 3, divide 10 by 3. What about the remainder will be, because 3 will goes into 10 3 times, and it will be left with only 1. So that's our solution here. Okay, so this is the mod, okay, or the modulo. Okay, so this is the mod that we can use in order to achieve this result. Okay, and then let's look at this, the plus plus and then the minus minus. Okay, so with this, let's assume, let's delete this one and let's have only x here. Okay, so what we are going to do is, if we have x and then we have xx, the answer is supposed to be 10. Okay, so let's run it and then let's see the output. Yes, 10. What it's trying to do is, after you've run the code, add x plus 1 again. So we can achieve that. Let's add new line here. Okay, and then let's have x, the x again. So let's run our code. Then we are supposed to get 10 and 11. Okay, so then we get 10 and 11. So this one is a post increment. It means that run the addition for the first time. When you are done, then add plus 1 to it. Okay, so first it will run the x. Once it's done, then it will add the plus 1 to it. So that's the reason why we didn't add any plus plus to the second one, but the second one value changes to 11. Okay, then we have vice versa, plus plus x. This one is pre-increment. So with this one, it will first add plus 1 before it will display the result. So let's run this and then we will get 11. Okay, so the plus 1 is the same as x equals x plus 1. Okay, so or the plus plus x is the same as 1 plus x. Okay, so but if we make the x plus plus then x plus 1, okay, we won't have it there, because if we have it here, we are going to get x to be 11. It means that run x first, then after that come and then add x plus 1. Okay, so this is what this one means. But if we are using the x plus x, that means that we are moving this one to the top. So initialize x by 10, then add 1 to 10 before you display it. This is what this one means, the plus plus x means. Okay, so we can do the same thing for x minus minus. It's the same thing. It's just the change of the math operator. So we can have x minus minus, which will give us 9. Yes, and then we can have x minus minus, and this one will give us 10. Yes, so now this is how we can use the math operator in C++. In case you have any question, you can leave it at the comment section. And also, in case you have a suggestion that can help us to improve on this channel, you can use the channel email address to reach out to us. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe. And we've also provided a Telegram channel link at the description section. Please subscribe to our Telegram link, our Telegram channel, so that anytime we upload a new content, it will be easy for us to reach out to you to tell you that, hey, my friend, if you uploaded new content, you shouldn't miss that content. Go ahead and learn something new. So subscribe to our Telegram channel too. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. And in our next video, we are going to talk about how to use the math library in C++. That's what we are going to look at it. So I hope you will not miss that video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.